Sa Servicio KON Bossing Co.
Meron dyan refrigerator.
To give what they need and what they want. Masayang serbisyo ni Tatang lalo na sa sinehan. Bossing sa kasiyahan. Tatang sa aksyon. Ninong TV proudly presents ang pagsasama sana ng dalawang bossing sa negosyo at serbisyo. Ang Hariang Cinema Vic Soto. At ang hari ng negosyo Henry C. With Jordan Verninong Castro as Henry C. And a special guest, Rob Andre Valeo paint artist to be role as Vic Soto. Si Tatang at Si Bossing. Learning the SM Cinema business strategies with Henry C. and cinema partner Vic Soto. Coming this May 16, 2023 cast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube. Henry C., the king of Philippine business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you. This is once again your Denver Nino Castro and welcome to Ninong TV. You're watching live on Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And for today's video, we will have a special episode of our The King of Philippine Business, Mr. Jesus Video Vlog, in learning his businesses and legacy. Because for the first time, if we have Tatang, we will have the bossing. Yes, of course. And that will be Mr. Vic Soto that we didn't know. Bossing and Henry also have a connection in making business and to make fun and to serve the people. Alright. And the title of our vlog for today is Si Tatang at Si Bossing. Learning the SM Cinema business strategies with Henry C. and cinema partner Vic Soto. Wow. Especially every Christmas, we like to watch movie of Bossing, diba? Title or the meaning rather of SM Cinema. For our researcher and for our educators, SM Cinema Club is the new loyalty program that let you earn points when purchasing movie tickets and concessions. SM Cinema is the largest film exhibitor in the Philippines with 376 screens. Wow! Ang daming screens. In 78 branches nationwide. So that is the SM Cinema. So for the first episode that you will witness here is all about SM Cinema. The education, the research, and the program about SM Cinema. So you will check it out first.
recipe for success, set a long-term vision. Think big, start small, move fast, work hard, think outside the box. Be ambitious, go for the large scale. Be willing to be bold, be customer focused, seek market leadership. From your Henry C. giving you the action of learning. Business and SM Cinema to serve the people and its economy.
Okay, you've just witnessed the SM Cinema, and that will be the business of our King of Philippine Business, Mr. Henry C. to be run by Lino. Diba? So, for the next episode that we will have is bossing. And we will have here a special guest, came from my workmate, and also a video blogger from YouTube. That is one of his content is more on games, more on entertainment also. He is better known as a paint artist, and his name is Rob Andre Vallejo, to be cast as Mr. Big Soto, to present us the lesson, education, how he served the people of entertainment. Who is Big Soto, in other words, diba? For our millennial, for our educators, you are searching more about bossing. And we will have here the special guest, Rob Andre Vallejo, to guide on us and to discover the business partner of the SM of Mr. Henry. Check it out.
Hello po everyone, I am Rob Andre V. Vallejo. Nandito po ako to talk about our idol, veteran actor, Bossing Vic Soto. Si Marvic Valentin Castelo Soto, kilala po professionally as Vic Soto or popularly as Bossing, ay isang Pilipino actor, singer, and comedian at nakilala sa grupong Tito Vic and Joey. The 69-year-old icon studied at Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Manila. Isa po siya sa mga pioneer host ng pinaka-longest running noontime show, ang Itbulaga. Si Bossing po ay lead vocalist o singer ng popular disco funk band noong 1980s. Ang VST and Company, marami siyang na-produce na hit songs. Isa na rito po ang Awitin Mo at Isasayaw Ko. Mayroon din siyang film and TV production company, ang MZ Production. Ang contribution niya sa entertainment industry ay na-recognize with many awards. At bukod po dito, si Bossing ay kilala sa kanyang philanthropic works and supporter po siya ng maraming charitable institutions. Isa na po dito ay ang Bantay Bata Foundation. Siya ay isang makatao at makadiyos na tao. Yan po ang ating idol na si Bossing Vic Soto. Sana po ay meron kayong natutunan sa aking munting presentasyon. Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Keep safe po everyone.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. But clearly I don't see myself upon that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this.
episode,
Rob Andre.
our special guest to be role as Mr. Vic Soto. No, talagang kuwang-kuwan niya din si Bossing, no? Bossing and Tatang is now reunited to give fun, entertainment, and service for the people. And ang ating next episode ngayon is SM Cinema and Bossing Tandem. In other words, Bossing and Tatang Tandem of business, how they serve the people, how they create the entertainment, the show, and the business, of course. That for through the years, we're also going to SM Supermalls. We discover some of the product, some of the item is modeling the product. So you will check it out in this very interesting slide, the Bossing and the Tatang Henry.
Hi, Dabarkads! Huwag niyo kalimutan ha, manood ng Enteng Kapisote 10 and The Abangers sa SM Cinemas nationwide on November 30. Eksakto, maaga magbubukas ang mga sinihan sa SM. 9 a.m. pa lang, magkita-kita na tayo doon.
Good opportunity for me to give thanks. Thank you for believing in my vision and supporting my effort for resetting my dream. I'm so happy to have a family.
and just discover about Henry C. and about Vic Soto, the tatang and bossing tandem of relation in business, in making show, in serving the people. And a little trivia that I want to share to you from the two of our legendary celebrity and business-minded. Did you know that Mr. Vic Soto's favorite food is sinigang na baboy? O, di ba? Kaya kung ikaw, ang ulam na sinigang na baboy, and then Mr. Bossing will visit your home. Ako, pag pinakain mo siya niyan, talagang kakainin niya yan. And for dinners, siyempre ako ng Tito Henry, mayroon din paboritong pagkain. Favorite din ang ninong niya personally. Ito ay salmon heads. Yung salmon fish, yung kulay pink, yung ginagawang 555 century food na. O, yan daw ang favorite food ni Mr. Henry C. O, diba? Nalaman ko lang din sa aking driver friend. Kasi si Kuya, yung Kuya driver na yun is nag-work din noon kay Mr. Henry C. And his name is Kuya Ramil. So, shout out Kuya Ramil. I know you're watching. So, nakasama ko siya sa school as a driver in particular celebrity and some of the business person. Kaya buti na lang, kahit na salmon, nagkakaubusan na sa palengke. Ang Tito Henry nyo, hindi yan problema kasi katabi ko lang ang Manila Bay. Sa mo. Kaya pagka, if you're a shopper, no, naghanap kayo ng salmon head, pupunta na lang kayo sa MOA. No? Si Tito Henry nyo, mang bibingwit lang ng mga salmon. I just kidding. Anyway, it just discover, no, si Henry C. and Vic Soto in the tandem of the business, tandem of services. So, the learning here of cinema, of course, cinema is also part of the business. People create cinema. And of course, the movie. Diba? Kasi business rin yan. Kumikita rin yung mga tao sa ganyang larangan. When you create show, when you create a movie, people will watch your show and you can earn from that. So, movie and business is tandem of this segment. And we have bossing and the king of Philippine business, Henry C. Now, it's time for CSR. Ano nga ba ang mga CSR na pwedeng gawin ni Vic Soto? To serve the people and to help the people, not only to give joy for everyone. So, let's go and watch the CSR of bossing and of course, to discover once again the CSR of the king of Philippine business.
Sino nagpaiyak dito? Ito, yung dalawa. Yung dalawa, bossing. Ba't pinaiyak si Alice Osima? Yung dalawa. Bakit po kayo umiiyak? Yung abogado, nagpaiyak.
watching, and God bless all of you. And we just discover once again our two legendary business-minded and celebrity, Mr. Vic Soto and Mr. Henry C. And by the way, once again, thank you to our special guest,
Rob Andre Vallejo.
as Mr. Vic Soto. So talagang kuwang-kuwa niya si Bossing, and of course, you're known as Mr. Henry C. And this is the title once again of our vlog, si Tatang at si Bossing, learning the SM Cinema business strategies with Henry C. and cinema partner Vic Soto. So this is a special video vlog for our educators searching about Vic Soto, searching about Henry C. And then they reunited as one in learning the cinema, the importance of cinema and the business. Cinema is also a business because when you create a show, people will buy your show, they have their ticket, and you can earn from that. So Mr. Henry C. and Vic Soto for through the years is tandem of making service. The shows of Bossing is almost shown in several SM cinema for through the years. And of course, the people is very happy to witness this. So thank you for watching. See you for my another video vlog. And this vlog is for sale, summer promo, 100 pesos only and 50 pesos for screen record. So thank you.